Hello, today I am going to teach you how to use Riyalo QR code menu. So you can use QR code scanner or even you can use camera also. So it will be redirecting to the online menu and the whole categories and recommended for you options will be shown over here. So after that we can just give 2-3 items, just place your order. Okay, I'm ordered 2-3 items. After that go to cart just to see the items which you had ordered. And suppose if you want to delete one item, just put the option delete and you can see plus and minus option. Just tap that to increase or decrease the quantity. After that just provide your whole information to place your order, and even comment box is there if you want to give any extra comments for a particular product. So takeaway and table options are there. I am going to put table 2 option because I am doing dining in the restaurant. And as you can see the subtotal amount and even service charge and tax will be there. It will be included in the service charge. And place your order. Just confirm that the order has been placed and it's successfully placed. To reconfirm it, you can use the WhatsApp number. Yeah, whole item has been seen and it will be forwarded to the WhatsApp number of the restaurant. Just as we told, that notification will be provided in the kitchen and the chef can access to the order number. So after viewing your order list, the chef will be accepting the order. Yeah, it was on processing and it was ready to serve. And suppose if you want to see your status in your menu, you can just check the status in the online menu.